Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is October the 24th, 2019, and in this video here I want to talk to you about how I dry my silver drop eucalyptus leaves. So what I do is I'll take the leaves off, and you can kind of just like twist them off, or you can just like pinch them off. You can just like twist them off like that, or pinch them. And what I'll do is I'll collect the leaves that I want, and you want to be careful that you don't damage or bruise the leaves, because that will let the eucalyptus fragrance out, and then you'll lose your fragrance off of them. And I'll take and I will lay these out on like a piece of newspaper, and I'll allow them to dry. Now if you have a fan running, that will help your eucalyptus to dry faster. And you could also lay these out on like a screen if you chose to let them dry, and they'll get really crispy, the leaves will, and that's how you'll know when they're dry. And when they're dry, they'll have like a crinkly texture to them. And then you can use them like in your potpourris and different things like that. And some people use these like in their wedding, like for the confetti, or they use them to decorate the tables with. And after they're dried, you can also use them in like one of those heated potpourri things, where like you put your water in, and you plug it in, you plug the unit into the electric, and you put your water in there, and you can put your dried eucalyptus leaves in there, and then the fragrance will fill the house or whatever room you have it in. Now, some people say about preserving these with glycerin, I believe that's how you pronounce it. I do not use any preservatives when I dry my flowers or my eucalyptus leaves. I just naturally air dry them, and they work very well for me. And I use the eucalyptus fragrances a lot, and I like that, I can grow the plant myself and harvest the leaves, and then use those to have the eucalyptus fragrance. Now, one thing that you want to keep in mind is that I do use organic plant foods to feed my eucalyptus trees with, and I did do a complete playlist on my channel for how to grow eucalyptus, and I talk about how to feed them and what I feed them, so you can check those out on my channel. And you do want to make sure that you keep your eucalyptus leaves, whether they would be dried or fresh, out of the reach of pets. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells you I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!